Can you handle the heat? Hey there, in this video we will discover some native expressions for super spicy food. First, we are going to cover some metaphorical expressions that can add vividness and creativity to your descriptions of spicy food. I have gathered these metaphorical expressions from various sources like blog posts, articles, culinary resources, as I am an avid reader. They are not my own creations, but rather a collection of creative phrases shared by food lovers. So let's dive in and discover these flavorful expressions together. It's like a punch in the mouth. It's like eating lava. It's a nuclear explosion in my mouth. It's like 1,000 needles poking my tongue. It's like a spice bomb went off in my mouth. It's like a wildfire spreading through my mouth. We are not done yet. Next, I'm going to share with you some common expressions and phrases that are used in English-speaking countries to convey the experience of something being very spicy. This one is super common. You can say, it's burning my mouth. It's like fire in my mouth. Wow, that's hot. I need a fire extinguisher. It's like a volcano erupted in my mouth. I can feel the heat all the way down to my toes. I'm sweating buckets. My taste buds are on fire. I can't feel the tongue. Now you're equipped with the hottest expressions to conquer any fiery feast. So get out there, embrace the heat, and let your taste buds dance with delight. And that's all. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.